Before Assam goes for the poll due in mid-2021, there is a likely major reshuffling in the top bureaucracy of the state. We still stand clear that before the state goes for the poll next year, there will be a change in the chief minister. A source in Dispur also informed the same. Earlier, we spoke of the political equation. The bureaucracy equation also needs an important eye in any governance functioning. Sanjay Lohia, a 1994 batch IAS officer, a bureaucrat close with Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, has opted for central deputation last month. He served as the principal secretary to the Chief Minister soon after BJP came into power in 2016. He is now attached with the Ministry of Mines as a joint secretary. Reportedly, before the BJP formed their government in Assam, Lohia was in central deputation and was brought back to the state by Sonowal. While with this, it is certain that there is a likely chance of what we predicted before. It is true that for success of any governance activity, the credit goes to the minister-bureaucrat relation. Moreover, a top source in Dispur informed us that with the Assam's Chief Secretary Kumar Sanjay Krishna's retirement nearing, the name for the next Chief Secretary is doing round over 1988 batch IAS officer Jishnu Barua. Apart from holding important portfolios in Assam, Barua has served in New Delhi in central deputation for a brief period and is currently the additional Chief Secretary to Assam's Home and Political Department in the Chief Secretary grade. However, we are being informed that the government might ask for Kumar's extension. With Sanjay Lohia leaving the state and subsequently a vacancy in the post of Principal Secretary to the Chief Minister, there is a news doing rounds that present Bodoland Territorial Region Administrator, a 1995 batch IAS officer Rajesh Prasad, a Principal Secretary rank officer, is likely to be the Principal Secretary to the Chief Minister. Rajesh Prasad was given the charge of the BTC Administrator after in April this year, Bodoland came into governor's rule. If Rajesh Prasad is brought to Chief Minister's office, the post of BTC Administrator would be assumed by another bureaucrat. For this, there is a likely round that 2005 batch IAS officer Siddharth Singh, serving as the Principal Secretary of BTC, might assume the charges of the administrator. This insider input, with a likely chance of 3 bureaucrats with a possible reshuffle in the top position of the state, would weigh for the good governance out of a relationship of a minister and bureaucrat. This is Nilutpal Timsina for Pulse by Headline 8 and you're watching Polycult.